On three, say octopus!
Hi, I'm Becky.
I'm Fraser.
We run Nimmo Bay Wilderness Resort. Join us
In the Great Bear Rainforest.
Okay, so tell me, what are you doing today?
Well, we're gonna snorkel, go to ocean table, have a picnic, light a fire, and meet new people. So I'm super excited to meet them.
Yeah. River, so good to meet you.
I'm Fawn, nice to meet you.
Fawn, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
This is Whitney.
I am Becca!
Becca, this is Becca.
She's my little sister, sometimes she can get crazy.
Mara.
This is Mara. And right over here is Mel.
Look at this guy, look at Obi.
Okay, guys, is everybody ready?
Yep.
All right. Everybody on board?
We're not going really fast. Will we get fast?
We're just gonna enjoy the ride. There's so much to see.
I think that's an island. That's the tiny little island.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna do the traps first.
Can I see it? I want to see it.
We're gonna the trap right now so I can
Whoa! Ooh, so cool. They're weird. They're weird.
They walk along the bottom like that,
Yeah, but
and then when they try to escape, they use their clap bear like a
Are you
lobster.
gonna hold the one?
Look, there's a barnacle growing on its back.
Whoa!
If it's possible, just slow.
Cool! That's awesome, Melanie.
Drop it and put it in.
Put him in the tank? Sure. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. All right, they're all in the tank now. Good job, you guys. This is actually a good amount of spot prawns. We got a lot. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Woohoo! That's a big one.
For what we're doing.
That island is perfect. I wish we could stop there.
Few more.
Buddies. I'm gonna get that rock.
One at a time.
It's a fairy circle. If you step in it, then you'll dance. Fairies. Oh, let's be at that.
Yes.
Put your thing on. Put your hood on.
Put your hood up.
You want to smile? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow, that's a good smile.
It's so sunny. It's a good day to snorkel, that's for sure. Daddy got the urchins! Oh, look! Urchins! Oh my god! It's moving! Yeah, it's walking with its feet, but look, they walk over their food, and then their mouth goes out, and then it like eats it, and then it scoops it back in. Whoa! Yeah, come on! And now let's go! We really got a fish in our aquarium.
Okay, you guys, let's hop out.
1, 2, 3.
Are we good to go?
Yep.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, what is going on? Whitney, from a really young age, she's just wanted to like get out there. I bet this is just kind of the tip of the iceberg for her. For her to go actually in those environments and explore it, see it in real life, I think is pretty awesome. I think she'll remember that forever.
Mara, guess what? I'm in a hot tub.
Hey, Rob.
How's it dive?
It was awesome.
That's awesome. Let's roast some shrimp. smells so amazing. So much better. We caught these from the ocean today.
The best part is this part, the head.
Yeah. I'm a starfish. Oh my
It's like
god.
the juices aren't there. Oh, it's so sweet.
What does the juice taste like?
It's like a very sweet butter. It's like butter.
All right, I want to try one of these. Go. Okay, so how do I do the head here?
Oh yeah, so you
So
take
I
it,
take it
and then just twist.
and twist,
Pull.
pull.
There
Okay.
you go.
Oh, so all this in
Oh,
here.
so they take that and go like this, just sort of like.
Do you want anything? You good?
Wow. Yeah, that's sweet. That's
Ready?
pretty good.
Set, go. Oh, go, go, go.
Who wants to try some uni? Okay, so what we do is just peel that back and press the edges in like this. Oh, look at that.
Is that uni?
So that's the part you eat right there.
Salty.
Interesting.
That
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's so wild to me that someone figured that out and was like, oh no, this is the delicacy part right here. You gotta remove all that other stuff.